Welcome to the grind. If you think you're gonna build a muscle in just 1 week, quit. And if you think you're gonna achieve your dream physique in just a month, just quit. You don't belong here. So kanina, while tambay ako sa labas para magpahangin, may nag-approach sa akin na kakilala ko. And he asked me kung paano magpalaki ng kamay or let's say bicep, since yun yung gusto nila para may pang pose sila sa mighty nila, ganun. Then ang sabi niya, in just 1 week daw. Like bro, seryoso. Yung tingin mo dito laro na 7 days pwede ka na mag-mythic. Building a great body isn't a dream. It's a lifestyle. It is a discipline and years of consistency. If you are not ready for the grind, huwag ka na magsimula. Madisappoint ka lang. But if you are ready to suffer, to show up when it's hard, to work out 5 or 6 times a week, and to stay locked in a month or even a years, then welcome to the grind. Anyways, ending with day 28 of Mount Challenge. See you guys. Bye.